One of the greatest assurances in the journey of faith is this: no amount of hatred, envy, or opposition from men can cancel what God has ordained for your life. The blessings of God are not subject to the approval of men. When God decides to lift, bless, or promote you, the opinions, schemes, or attacks of people become completely irrelevant. Joseph is a perfect example. His own brothers hated him, plotted against him, sold him into slavery, and tried everything to destroy his dreams. But even in the pit, in Potiphar's house, and in prison, the blessing of God remained on him. Eventually he rose to become prime minister in Egypt. Genesis 50:20. Their hatred could not stop the plan of God. It only helped to push him into his destiny. When the hand of God is upon a man, haters become stepping stones. The same people who try to bury you will watch God elevate you. Their envy becomes irrelevant because the blessings of God are divinely secured and supernaturally protected. What God blesses, no man can curse. When Balaam was hired to curse Israel, he tried several times but couldn't. Why? Because God had already blessed them. Numbers 23:8. Bible attribute: God is unstoppable and sovereign. He promotes, favors, and blesses in spite of human limitations or resistance. Isaiah 47, for the Lord of hosts has purposed, and who will annul it? His hand is stretched out, and who will turn it back? The Bible goes forward to teach us in Genesis 50:20, but as for you, ye thought evil against me, but God meant it unto good. God turns the evil plans of men into divine elevation. Romans 8:31, if God be for us, who can be against us? No opposition can stop the hand of God. Psalm 23:5, thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. God blesses openly, even when others wish you fail. Numbers 23:20, behold, I have received commandment to bless, and he hath blessed, and I cannot reverse it. What God has blessed is irreversible. To you watching and listening to this message, don't fear the hatred of men. Fear being outside God's will. As long as you're aligned with God's purpose, their hatred is powerless. Focus on pleasing God, not man. Let your heart be pure, your hands clean, and your focus sharp. When God is for you, you are unstoppable. Stay faithful, stay humble. Let your enemies watch you rise, not in pride, but in the undeniable evidence of God's grace. Remember, no man can close the door that God has opened. What is for you is for you, and it will reach you, no matter the opposition. Finally, hatred may delay, but it cannot deny. God's blessings are not negotiable when he has spoken. Keep walking in faith. The God who lifted Joseph will lift you too. Thank you for your time. Please like, comment, share, follow, or subscribe, and also turn on your notifications for more.